Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have WhatsApp updated and stickers installed. Now begin. Start the video call, and while it connects, swipe or tap to reveal on-call controls. Once the call is live, locate the sticker button, usually near chat or reactions, so you can send quickly. Make sure your network is stable. Low bandwidth delays sticker delivery. If you're creating a sticker live, prepare the image in files so you can import fast. Start interacting immediately. Don't wait for perfect timing. You tap the sticker icon and the tray opens. Choose a pack and preview animations before sending. Once done, tap a sticker to send it into the call chat, or long press to add as a reaction if supported. This keeps the flow natural. Make sure to combine stickers with short voice cues or gestures because context matters. If you want to place an animated sticker over video, choose ones labeled animated. They may render differently depending on bandwidth and device performance. You wrap up by closing the sticker tray and returning full screen to the video. That keeps focus on the conversation. If a sticker doesn't appear, first check your connection and then force close and reopen WhatsApp. Make sure both parties run the latest app version. Once done, save frequently used stickers to favorites to reduce search time next call. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Incompatible or corrupted sticker packs are common. Remove and re-add the pack if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.